Okay, folks, Robert here, more Revit Training. We're back on this small little church project we've been working on. Got everything going in this bad boy. We got the plumbing and sanitary water and everything. So now we're going to look at our conduit. So I'm going to go back into this lighting view. And we've got our circuits here. Some we didn't finish it. But what we're going to do, we're going to take this view and duplicate it with detailing. And then I'm going to go into my visibility graphics. Oh, I'm going to rename this now to, what are we going to call this? Okay, calling it conduit layout. All right. So now we want to go into, you can key in VV or just hit the visibility graphics right there and go all the way down to wires. All on the bottom. Yep. And shut those off. Okay, so now we've got just our light fixtures, and we want to show conduit here. We might need this later on too for the switches. So first thing I want to do, I'm going to go to conduit, and then I want to place my middle elevation at 10.3. But that's where we're going to work with now. And then I want to draw a conduit, say, right through here at actually 3/4 of an inch in elevation 10.3. And we've gone to non-metallic. Oh, we don't want non-metallic. We want EMT. So I can place that right here just for now. Okay? And I want to do this in fine since it's conduit. So there's our first conduit at elevation 10.3. Okay. Now let's go in here and have a look at this in 3D. So there's our box, our panel. Okay. Let's see if we can adjust this. Yes, we can. Because I want to see, okay, yeah, we can adjust this. It's pretty cool. Okay, that's the wall, but where's the panel? Oh, there we go. So, uh-oh, we got a furnace in there, but don't worry about that for now. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna select this guy, right click here. I wanna draw a conduit. And it's gonna say draw from face. So I wanna finish this selection and just pull this guy up to here. Maybe I get out of this view. Yes, it won't let me do it in this view. So I'm gonna cancel that out. Get rid of the box. Sorry, folks. Get out of the command totally. Where's section box? It's gone. Come on now. Go back into that conduit layout drawing. And I want to do that from here. So I'm going to go select it. Draw conduit base. I might want to go over close to that. Let me just move this over there and finish it. And then I want to take this. Let's go into section view. Let me just leave this here, see what happens. We need a section in here so we can see what the hell's going on. Okay, there you go. Okay, that's looking good. That's what we want. So I'm going to just extend this to there if I can. Good. So there's our conduit. We want to make this also fine in that view. So there's our conduit. Now we want to go back into our layout. And I want to go add a fitting. I want some junction boxes here so I can connect to. So I'm going to go to conduit fitting. Go down to junction boxes, aluminum. And I want to place them at elevation 10.3 as well. And drop it there, drop one there, drop one there, Uh-oh. So I think these would be over the light fixtures in the event that, you know, they connected. I'm sorry about the alarm, folks, on my phone. My bad. So we'll move on here. And this, I'm not going to do all these because I don't want to, this is boring, but there and there. So now we've got our boxes in, and then it's just a matter of, okay, so with this one, I'm going to just extend this one to here. And we put this in wireframe because that's stuff in here. There you go. So I'm going to grab this one now. So you got to make sure you select it. There it is. Right click, draw conduit into this box. And select this one. Okay, why did it jump down to 1/2 inch? See that? It's jumped down to 1/2 inch. I want that at 3/4 of an inch. What's this? This is 3/4. Man, it happens to me every time. Is this 3/4 as well? Yes. This one. Let me tab it. 3/4. Okay, so that's how you do this basically. You go in here and let's grab this one here. Make sure you get the junction box, draw conduit. They got a lot of software out that does this stuff now, and you don't really have to go through this, but I'm just showing you this is how you do this. You go in here, it jumps back down to 1/2 inch. I don't know why. See, it says 1/2. I want this to be, and change this right here to 3/4. Oh my goodness, had to change them all, huh? You don't do that. Okay, now. Go to him. Now you take him, go there. And now we can do something for this. We're going to do something like this. Grab the box, right click, draw my conduit, come out to here. There. And you can just, actually, let's do this. Let's make sure this bends properly. Get the proper bend here. So I'm going to grab this. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of tedious, but this is how they do it, I think. Draw conduit. Now we should be able to extend the intersect here. There to there, yes. And then from here we just go grab that guy. Draw conduit. Up to this one. Just stop in there. Grab it. Draw conduit. Man, this thing keeps changing sizes on me. 3/4. Okay, we can go back and change the ones that changed on us. We'll take that back there. Do a 90 here, or we probably would junction box there. Okay, so go to there. Come in here, like so. So that's the idea of this, folks. That's how, cancel that. So basically, this is how you would do your layout, your conduit layouts. So I'm going to go in here now. I'm not going to do the whole thing. because like I said, I'm not an electrician, but this is kind of what they do. They go here and they pop that guy there. Cancel. I'm gonna grab that one. Get the idea. I might do a follow-up on this. Go there. Come on now. There you go. That thing keeps going down to 3/4. I mean a 1/2 inch. And now in the case that it does that, you can just select it here and change the diameter to 3/4. So that's basically it, how you do this. So I'm gonna go from here to here now. Draw my conduit. You can come across to there. And bring it back down, it's like so. But yeah, these changed. I don't know how they did that. That's 3/4. Okay, this is 1/2 inch. That's 3/4. So that's sort of the standard in the city of Chicago. This is 3/4. I don't know how these changed on me. So that's how you do it. These are just a few. Let me tab that. Okay, that's wow. All of these changed to a 1/2 inch on me. 3/4. But that's how you do that. Oh, look at that. Box fill in there. Probably needed one there at that size. Yeah. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I just wanted to show you briefly how to do a layout, conduit layout. I'm going to look at this in 3D view now. Let's do a scope box. Section box here. Come on now. I'm going to go and pull this guy down so we can kind of see what's going on in here. Where the light fixtures. Okay, there are my light fixtures. And there's my conduit and junction boxes over the light fixtures. But I need to finish this, and then, you know, there might be some drilling or some shifting around, some saddles here and there because of the other equipment. We got coordination to do here. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video. Everybody be safe. Thank you. Bye.